How to fix chat features are currently unavailable in your region. In this quick video tutorial, I'm going to simply show you how to get this fixed. So guys, let's dive right into the video. So if your Roblox app is actually showing you that, the first step you need to actually take is to ensure that you are not connected to any VPN. So if you're already connected to any VPN, you need to go ahead and disconnect it. So the next step you need to actually take right here, in order for you to fix this problem, at the bottom of the screen right here on your Roblox app, you can see where it says more. So you need to click on that like this. So once you click on more like this, looking right here, you can see where it says help and safety. So you need to go ahead and click on that. Looking right here on the screen, you can see two options. You can see help and you can see violation and appeals. So the next step you need to take is to go ahead and click on violation and appeals like this. Looking right here, you can see where it says support. So you need to go ahead and click on support like this. So right here, you need to fill in this form and type in something like this to describe the issue. Looking right here, you can see what I actually typed here. Please help me to fix my chat feature which is unavailable in my region. So the next step you need to take is to go ahead and click on continue. You can see that at the bottom of the screen. So once you click on that, you need to go ahead and click on start puzzle in order to solve this puzzle. Then go ahead and click on submit. So looking right here on the screen, you can see the feedback from Roblox, which states here, it sounds like you are experiencing an issue with chat feature being unavailable in your region. This is similar to a known issue that affects users in the Middle East. Can you confirm if you are located in the Middle East or if this describes your situation? This will help me improve the most accurate information for you. And go ahead and type in yes like this in order to confirm to the Roblox team support that it is actually the issue that you're actually facing. So with that, they're going to actually end the chat and you're going to receive a feedback when the problem is fixed. So this is how simple it is to actually fix this problem. This is what you can actually do in order to fix this problem. Hope you found this video helpful, because you've come to the very end of this video. Now hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell as well, and don't forget to like this video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.